Hey everyone, my name is Josh Kroenke. Yeah, just like the owner of the Denver Nuggets. But I'm not into basketball or management, and I'm definitely not a billionaire. What I do know is cars, and that's exactly what I talk about on this channel. Alright, enough with the intro. Let's get into today's topic.
Converters are expensive to replace, especially since there is no used catalytic converter that works and they are often vehicle-specific. What can we do to protect the car's catalytic converter? So how can you stop the theft of your catalytic converter? There are different products to protect your catalytic converter, but most solutions are deterrents, such as cat strap. Composed of hardened steel strips placed under a bright orange exterior, cat strap will repel most power tools. Another popular solution is a simple cage welded or strapped to your exhaust system. They usually consist of a set of steel wires connected to mounting points at each end of the catalytic converter. The cat clamp fits between 1.75 inch and 3 inch diameters, so it fits all but the most robust exhaust. Two versions are available, one in steel and one in stainless steel. Cat clamp claims that the cables are incorruptible and that both the standard and max models come with a warranty, 1 year or lifetime, respectively. Why the catalytic converter on the car is important. The use of the catalytic converter is critical to meeting environmental regulations and reducing air pollution. However, it is also important to keep it in good working order. Catalytic converters can become clogged or damaged over time due to debris buildup or the use of improper fuels, which can negatively affect their efficiency and reduce engine performance. Therefore, it is essential to properly maintain the catalytic converter and replace it if necessary to ensure that the vehicle complies with environmental regulations and operates efficiently. How much does a catalytic converter cost in the United States? Depending on the prices in the market, an aftermarket catalytic converter can cost between $500 and $800. But here you can see more about the values to replace the converter in 2024. Online Car Modification Simulator. Tune your car with these applications. The cars of 2025 are coming and you will fall in love with them. What's to come? What do the lights on the dashboard mean in Spanish? Why the gear shift lever does not move from parking and what to do catalytic converter function of a car's catalytic converter. What is the catalytic converter of a car? What are the catalytic converters of a car? Auto tuning applications. Meaning of lights on car dashboard 2. In conclusion, the catalytic converter plays a crucial role in modern vehicles by significantly reducing harmful emissions produced by the engine. By cutting down up to 80% of these pollutants, this technology not only helps to protect our environment but also contributes to cleaner air for everyone. As we continue to advance in automotive technology, the importance of components like the catalytic converter cannot be overstated in our efforts to create a more sustainable future. Thank you for watching, and be sure to stay informed about the innovations that drive us toward a greener world.